Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing Scarpariello. It's an amazing Italian dish. Very easy to make, all made in one pan. So cleanup is a breeze. Start off with one bell pepper. I like it a little colorful, so I grab the red one. And we're just going to cook the sides down, keeping the seeds all intact for easy cleanup. And then we're going to julienne those. Once we have those cut up, we're going to do one white or yellow onion, whatever you have available. And we'll cut that up nice. While I'm chopping these onions, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. It really helps. Okay. Now we've got those pushed to the side. I've got about 4 or 5 Yukon Gold potatoes that I've washed, and I'm going to cut in half. Then I'll put them back into the bowl. I'm going to add some olive oil, some garlic, and some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to get in there with my hands and give it a real good mix to make sure the potatoes are coated with everything. And then we're going to place the potatoes in that baking pan, skin side up. Then we're going to toss those in the oven at 375 until fork tender, and they get a little bit of crispiness on the tops and bottoms. Next, you're going to need 1 pound of Italian sausage. I like to use the hot. We're going to cook that up in the frying pan. Break it up a little bit into smaller pieces, about bite-sized pieces, I'd say. And then we'll remove the sausage, put it into a bowl for later. I've got a nice sized chicken breast, boneless, skinless, that I had already diced up into bite-sized pieces. We're going to take that chicken, toss it right back in that pan with a little bit of oil. Cook up that chicken. A little bit of salt and pepper. And once the chicken's done, we'll put that in the same bowl with the sausage. And set it to the side for just a few minutes. Now we're going to add our bell pepper, our onions, and we'll cook those down a bit. Next, I've got about 2 tablespoons of flour that we're going to add to the onions and peppers. That's just going to help our liquid thicken up. We're going to add about 4 tablespoons, or 4 cloves, of diced garlic. And about a 1/4 cup of pepperoncino peppers. Mix that up real good. Now I've got about 6 ounces of white wine, Add that to the pan. And then we're going to add the sausage and the chicken back to the pan. And we'll mix that up good. Now we're going to place this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Help thicken that up. We'll take our potatoes out. And that's the color what you're looking for right there. Nice and crispy, a fork tender. We're going to put a few of the potatoes on the serving plate. Use a fork to mash it down just a little. We'll take our pan out of the oven and scoop up a nice serving. Put it right over the potatoes. And you have an amazing, authentic Italian dish, Scarpariello. Easy to make, the family will love it, and it's not that expensive. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you come back soon. And remember, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family about us. I appreciate it. Thank you.